Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you are here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. And if you're a returning subscriber, you should probably already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. So today's video, like always, is an apartment tour. We went and toured the York on City Park, and I'll show you the two floor plans that we toured. We only got to tour two. They only had one available, and the other one was a loft. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. That loft was so pretty. Well, better than the one bedroom. The first unit that we saw looks just like this, and here is the other unit, and then you can see the pricing right here. This one comes with your own private garage that is just across from your apartment. Before we do any of that though, let's get into maps really quick so we can see exactly where this place is located. Where these apartments are located, and as you can see, they're very close to the Denver Zoo and City Park. This park is huge. There's so many places where you can walk your dog or run, whatever you do. Not far from there, you can see that there are a few different restaurants and like quick spots like Einstein's Bagels. A 15-20 minute drive from the downtown area over here, just because of all the stoplights and stuff like that. I think this is a really good spot. You're close to Ctizen Park, which is also a really fun park to like go run or work out at. They have some events there sometimes. So now that we know exactly where this place is located, let's get straight into the apartment tour. This first unit that we saw, about 700 to 750 square feet, so a pretty good size, I would say. All the units have full-size washer and dryers. The kitchen, I like. It's not 100% my style. I like what I have better, but I wouldn't complain if I was living there. You have brown cabinets with stainless steel. Well, I don't know if they're stainless steel, but I'm assuming it's stainless steel. Hardware. You have granite countertops. Again, not 100% sure, just assuming because that's what it looks like to me. But stainless steel appliances with a white backsplash in the kitchen. I really like the way the kitchen looks though. I can't deny that. Another good thing that I think is good, at least, I know some people like to have an area for like a dining table or something like that, but I personally don't need all that. I just want like an island so I can have bar stools, and that's what I prefer. And here in this apartment, you have that. So if you prefer that too, this might be a good spot for you. So in this whole room, the living room is connected to the kitchen kind of, but you only have one window, which you guys know for me, I'm a windows gal, and just having that balcony door is not enough for me, but I will say that it does bring in a lot of light, or a good amount of light, so you wouldn't have to really worry about that, especially if you were on the side that, like, you know, gets most of the daylight during the day. And there is definitely enough room in this living area to put like a full setup. You guys know, like your couch, a rug if you wanted to, a TV stand, coffee table. Like, you have enough room to put all of that, and a plant. And then moving on to the bedroom, I would say it's a pretty good sized room. You can definitely fit a king size bed in here. I'm pretty sure that's a king in the video. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't ask. I should have. If you put a king size bed in here, you probably won't have enough room to have like a dresser and like big nightstands. As you can see, I think, at least I haven't watched the video in a sec, but I think they have nightstands on the side of the bed or on one side of the bed. You can kind of see that it just takes up a lot of room. So I probably would stick with a queen in this one, but of course that's up to you. The closet is pretty good in size. I can't complain, honestly. I mean, it's not the best closet that we've seen, but it's absolutely not the worst closet that we've seen. The bathroom is separate from everything, and you have a tub shower combination, and then you have a pretty good sized vanity, enough room to, you know, shave your face, put your makeup on. And that's pretty much everything about this apartment. I don't have any fees for this one, just like the last one. I'm sorry, he didn't give me any for now. stick around and watch the loft tour. I'm uploading my apartment tour on Saturday, so if you're curious about my apartment, stick around and watch that video on Saturday. But I'll see you guys then. Bye.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm